This United Real Estate Infinity property video is presented by Lenora Christian. Lovingly maintained, 2-year-old home that offers 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, finished 2-car garage on January 4th acre lot in Port Labelle. Custom cabinetry and kitchen with granite counters, stainless energy efficient appliances, large laundry room, open floor plan, split bedrooms, foyer entry, attic storage and hallway and garage, tankless hot water system, dual sinks in primary bath and step-in shower with rain shower head. Home also has side door to exterior. Home shows like new. For more information, review the details below or contact Lenora Christian at 267-221-0407.